What visitation arrangements can be used for parents who are not raising a child together? Visitation arrangements can vary greatly for many reasons, but the most important factor tends to revolve around how close the parents live to each other. If both parents live in the same town, Kentucky courts generally hold that kids should spend an equal amount of time with both parents whenever possible. On the other hand, if one parent lives very far away, the visitation options become limited. Another important factor the court considers is how well the parents can work together for the kid. If the parents do not get along well, it may be better for one parent to have more time so their child can have a more emotionally stable environment. In most cases, if parents can agree on a schedule, the court will usually go with it since parents know their own kids and situations best. When parents cannot agree, the court will usually establish a 50-50 time split and then adjust based on what is possible and best for the kids. Make sure the court favors your perspective by working with a skilled personal injury attorney. In Kentucky, contact family law attorney Tim Hendrix to help ensure you get the custody arrangement you want or need. Go to www.timhendrixlaw.com to schedule a free consultation to discuss your custody situation.